How to find your watch later playlist on YouTube. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. It will land you on this homepage. So first of all, let me add this song to my watch later playlist. Tap on this three dot beside the song and then tap on save to watch later. Well, the song has been added to the watch later playlist. Now in order to find it, what you want to do is tap on you at the bottom right corner. It will land you on this interface. Over here you can see the category of playlist. Swipe left and you'll find the option of watch later and then tap on it. So there you go, this is the playlist that you have saved it to watch later. Scroll all the way down and then you will find all of the videos that you have saved to watch later. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to find watch later playlist on YouTube. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.